Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the x1500 electric burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So if we need to replace either the left or right switch lever, super simple, this is how we do it. First, what you're going to want to do is cut off the handle grips. Now our next step is go ahead and get yourself a pair of pliers and loosen this strain relief at the power cord so that we can get to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 larger Phillips head screws, and then there are going to be 2 smaller Phillips head screws that we have to remove. Now with all the screws out, we can go ahead and separate this cover. Just like that, and that exposes everything inside the handle. Now that we're inside the handle, what you want to do if you need to replace your levers, go ahead and pull both of them out off the pins. Take either your left or right one, whichever one you need. Put them back together like this, slide them back on the pins. Just like that. Now what we want to do is get our front cover and get it put back on. Now what we want to do is go ahead and tighten down the 7 screws, the 2 small ones and the 5 bigger ones. All right, now what we need to take the strain relief and tighten that back down. Just like that. Now all we need to do is go ahead and get your new handle grips, since we had to cut the old ones off. Slide those back on. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Remember to stay safe, and thanks for watching.